Welcome back to Taste of Change. I'm Dr. Irina Kols and the program is supported by Bazaar Supermarkets. We are celebrating Thanksgiving and let's cook something light and healthy for our Thanksgiving dinner. We'll cook oatmeal cookies. It sounds very simple, and there are lots of recipes for this kind of cookies, but not all of them match our low GI lifestyle. So we'll use only 5 ingredients today. Oatmeal, homemade flour, I would say, because I just made it in a coffee grinder. Just the regular oatmeal flakes was prepared like this, so it is rougher than the flour. Fructose, egg, vegetable oil, and baking powder. So let's start. Very simple and very fast. We need 1 cup of this handmade oatmeal flour. 1 cup. Half cup of fructose. 1/3 of vegetable oil. I have canola oil here. It doesn't really matter. 1/3 is enough. Wait, it's more. It's okay. And 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda. That's it. We'll mix it all together. It's a little bit too liquid because I put a little bit more the vegetable oil, so I'll add more. The oven is ready. So we are finishing this and we'll start baking. Baking sheet with baking paper. I found very convenient using this ice cream thing, and you just take 1 scoop and place it here. This is it. Well, it's not it yet. They're not baked, but they'll be ready just in 15 minutes. At this point, we put them in the oven, preheated to 370 degrees for 10-15 minutes. Just in 15 minutes, you have wonderful oatmeal cookies. Crispy, dry, and it doesn't have any unhealthy ingredients. Everything is so good. Thank you for being with us and have a wonderful Thanksgiving.